Come. Let me call him and wake him up. Is that okay? Come. They're waiting for you. Okay, Tom is here. My name is Tom. My name is Tom. Today I've had you sing a very good song for my friend. Hey, they sang a very good song for me. What song was that? Ah, yes, happy birthday. Today is his birthday. And you know what? I need to wash my hands before I have this cake. See, washing hands is very important. Yeah. I'm very hungry, but let me wash my hands. Wait, Tom, give me 1 minute. Okay, let me eat the cake as I wait for you. Hey, don't finish the cake, you. Okay, let me go wash my hands. Do you know the 6 steps of washing hands? Yeah? You know that? Okay, let's do it together as I wash my hands. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5. Step 6. Nice. Now I can have the cake. Where's the cake now? Oh, here's the cake. Have it some more. Ah, nice. Thank you. You're so nice, friend. But where is Rita? Have you seen Rita? Rita is supposed to be here for the birthday. So, let me go. Let me go and get her. Rita? Rita? Hey, she's not here. Let me go and look for her. Oh, wait. It's my birthday. You eat the cake? Let me go and look for Rita. Is that okay? Ah, that's okay. Let's go and look for her. Eat the cake. Nice. Okay. Rita! Rita! Have you seen Rita? You? Have you seen her? Okay. Rita! Rita! Hey, let me eat the cake first. Don't finish the whole cake where Tom. Malize yote. Ah, nini kwani wanakula hao? Hakuli hawa. Wacha nikule yote. Haya. Okay, let me go and look for her. You want a cake? Yes. Ah, man, that maliza yote nina njaa. But you know what? Have you washed your hands first? Yes. No, if you haven't washed your hands, I can't give you a cake. Because, you know there are germs everywhere. Eh? There are germs everywhere. Hey! Where? But remember these things. If you don't wash your hands, you get what disease? Hey, cholera, which other one? Typhoid. Typhoid! Wait. You mean I get typhoid? Yes, you can get typhoid. What type of disease can you get? She can get a disease called cholera and typhoid because because of not washing hands. Because of not washing hands. And now she needs to know that because I have a friend who went to hospital yesterday. My stomach is aching now. Very good. If you wash your hands, when you go home, even if it's your birthday, you have a place for washing hands. You have a place for washing hands. Wow. Let's sing happy birthday for David because he's coming back. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear David. Happy birthday to you. Wow. Very good. Thank you so much for having me here. I'll come back another day. Is that okay? Yes. Is that okay? Okay, clap for me. Okay, bye. Wow. I heard you sang a very good song for me. Thank you so much. And have you learned something today? Yes. Yes? You have learned the 6 steps of washing hands? Will you able to show me how to wash hands? Okay, let's start step 1, step 2, step 3. Nice. Step 6, step 5, step 6. Nice. Clap for yourself. So I've had Rita has had some cake without washing hands, and she's had a problem with her tummy. Even you need to wash your hands anytime you leave the toilet, and also before you eat. Is that okay? Even before you eat your fruits, you wash your hands. And when you come out from playing, out in the field, you wash your hands. And when you change your baby's diaper, how many are children here? Yeah. If you change the diaper, you also wash your hands. Is that okay? Very good. Today was a very good day for me. Now I'm going to eat some soda and some sausage and everything. And you have to give me a present. Is that okay? Wow. So I'll see you another day. So I'm very grateful. Very bye.
you learned? Let me see hands. Wash our fruit. What else have you learned? Yes. You wash your fruit. What else have you learned? Someone else? Yes? You wash your hands after playing. Very good. The last person? Take a bath every day. Very important. Yeah? You wash your hands after the toilet. Okay, everybody has learned something. And you wash your hands. Very good. So remember, wash your hands. And these are 6 steps of washing. 6 steps of washing. Have you learned something today? Yes. Very good. We are very grateful. Maybe we'll come another time and do something else. For the boys who are playing badminton again, did you learn something? How many played badminton games today? Awesome. For the ones who play badminton games, maybe you'll have it another day. But if you want some, you can ask for them and I can bring them for you. Is that okay? Is that okay? Yes. Awesome. So I've finished my program today and I'm very grateful for you to listen to me. And I'm hoping the next time we're going to meet her. Okay, to meet her? Okay, Simon says, you all stand up. Very good. Okay, someone says sit down. Sorry, I haven't finished. Someone says go sit down. Sorry. It's time for